Northwest Bus Sales. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jack and I'm with Northwest Bus Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2010 Bluebird All-American. Now this thing is a peach, only 32,000 miles on it, 44 passengers, equipped with AC, high back seats, and the combo everyone wants, the Cummins 8.3 liter paired with an Allison automatic transmission. I'm excited to show it to you. Let's check it out. All right, got Wyatt behind the camera doing an impeccable job today. We're gonna check out the inside first. So actually, first thing before we get in there, I do want to show you 2010 is the year of the new front end on the Bluebird All-American. Wyatt, if you show them those buses right there, that's the old front end right there. New front end, lot sleeker look, little curved front, lights on top of each other. Makes it look nice and fancy. All right, so coming on inside, air operated bifold passenger entry door. We got a gray ribbed aisleway stepway, a pebble step tread, white step nosing, and 2 grab rails coming on in. All right, so gonna check out the driver area here. We're gonna go from right to left. So this is equipped with passenger air conditioning. We have the digital climate controls right here for both of them. You have the front and the rear. We're gonna show you those in a second. We do have some heater switches here, front heaters, booster pump, open and close the door. This is your Allison automatic transmission shift pad. This is equipped with the Allison automatic 3000, and it does have a retarder on it as well. Wyatt, if you can show that down here, this is working, and you can see it's got 6 modes to it. And you can turn that on and then cycle through the modes there. So that one is working as well. Up top here, as I said, 32,000 miles, 32,838. This thing is barely even broken in. 32K on this. Going over here to the left, we do have a 12-volt port there if you want to plug in your phone or whatever. We got powered mirrors. They're also heated for both the top and the bottom. Top, bottom mirrors, both powered. We got your high idle switch here, and then we got your headlights, auxiliary fans, that's these guys up here. Auxiliary fan number 1, auxiliary fan number 2, and then we got your dome lights over here. All right, so Wyatt's gonna show you the driver's seat upholstery. All the upholstery in this bus has been redone. The driver's seat does match the passenger seats. So this has brand new passenger and driver upholstery on it. This is also an air ride driver seats. You can see all the lumbar controls. It can go up and down, all the fancy little switches there to make your driver comfortable right there. All right, so in the back, this is a 44 passenger commercial bus. Again, high back seats. We got retractable seat belts here as well. So you notice the seat belts aren't all flopping in the aisle there. Brand new seat upholstery on them, never been used. So your customers' butts can be the first ones in this. Up top, we got your first air conditioning ceiling mounted evaporator. This is blowing nice and cold on this. Coming to as we move our way back, you'll notice up here on the ceiling, we have an acoustic ceiling. That's what all these little holes are on the ceiling there. That just kind of keeps the resonation down, the boominess down, if you will. There's a lot of people talking, you know, you're kind of in a big metal box here, so that definitely kind of keeps the echo down and provides a little bit of sound barrier there. Coming all the way to the back, we got your rear ceiling mounted AC evaporator up here, also blowing nice and cold. All the seats, again, retractable seat belts. We got dome lights in the transition panels. The speakers are also in them as well. Looks like we're missing the grill on this speaker there, but we can get that taken care of. Up top, we have an emergency roof hatch in the rear, and then one on the front as well that Wyatt will show you when we make our way back up front. There's the one up front here. All right, we've been getting a lot of people interested in converting these to all sorts of things. So if you want something with 32,000 miles on it, I'm gonna give you the interior dimensions on them. From the back of the driver's seat to the back wall is 30 feet. Interior width is 7.5. So if you think of it like a big rectangle of usable space, you got 30 by 7.5. And the interior height at the center of the aisle is 6'6". So definitely a lot of headroom in it. All right, that'll do it for the inside. Let's check out the outside. All right, Wyatt's going to show you the front passenger side tire, as well as give you a little pan of underneath towards the front. Tires on this are looking great. The fronts, we got one at 15 and one at 11/32. The rears are all at around 12. So you definitely have a lot of life left on these tires. Not gonna need to replace them anytime soon. Going down the side here, passenger side skirt looking nice and straight. Maybe a little bit of a tiny dent right here. Nothing too crazy on this rub rail, but it is going nice and straight all the way down. Not all dented in or anything. Rub rails aren't all scratched up. Basically indicative of a bus with 32,000 miles on it. As these get higher miles, these rub rails rub against stuff, and you can tell that this has been well maintained. Wyatt's going to show you the rear passenger side duals here. Again, around 12/32 on those. He's going to give you a nice shot of the undercarriage here. I do want to point out that this is not a rusty bus at all. Look at that frame, not rusty by any means. Inside here, fuses, relays, some other electrical items. You're not going to hear me when we get over there, so I'll tell you again back here. This is powered by the Cummins ISC 8.3 liter turbo diesel engine rated at 285 horsepower, paired with the Allison 3000 PTS-R automatic transmission. Let's check it out. Cummins ISC 8.3, it's the big boy, the one everyone wants. This thing has more than enough power to get this bus wherever it needs to go. Wyatt's going to give you a shot of underneath here. Looking beautiful. All right, coming down the driver's side here. That's your slide out battery box and tray. For you bus guys, you know these trays can get pretty gunked up from battery acid or whatnot. This thing looks as clean as it possibly could be. Looks great inside there. Got your master switch on the inside left there. All right, going down the driver's side, skirt looking nice and straight, going all the way down. Wyatt's going to show you the rear driver's side duals. Again, around 12/32. All the tires on this, plenty of life left. And he's going to give you a nice another pan of underneath. Beautiful bus all the way around. Exterior and interior condition indicative of 32,000 miles. This thing shows fantastic. You'll see we got school bus windows all the way down. They are all tinted, tint still looking nice and good. Wyatt's going to show you the front driver's side tire here. Looking good. Well, thank you for watching this Northwest Bus Sales exclusive video tour. If you like this bus or any other buses in our lot, you can call us at 1-800-231-7099. Visit us at nwbus.com or email us sales@nwbus.com. Thank you for watching.